Namaste and welcome to our day 1 yoga for erectile dysfunction. Let's start. Let's stretch your legs out. Bring your hands back and gently lean back, or keep your back straight, whichever feels most convenient to you. Shake your legs and then keep your back straight and bend your right knee. Hold with your hands and you are going to stretch the leg out and bend back. Stretch and bend. Little small warm-up exercises that are going to make your body warm and get ready for today's practice. Then rotation of your knee joint as wide circle as you can. Other way around. Keep your breathing normal. Just let go of the breathing and become aware of the movements for now. Let go of the leg and change your leg. Stretch and bend. Stretch, also stretch your toes out and bend and move your toes inward. Toes out and in, out, in, out and in. And then rotation as wide circle as you can. Keep your breathing normal and try to be in your body on the mat, other way around. Be in the present moment will help you to focus on the movements and your body. Good. Stretch your legs out, shake them, and bend your right knee. You're going to do as if half butterfly, so pressing knee up and down. Again, listen to your body and do what is convenient and comfortable in your body. About 5 to 8 movements of each exercise you can do. Rotation of your hip joints, wide circle. Keep your back straight if possible. If not, sit on the stool or chair and practice the same sitting on the chair. Good. Change the leg. Lift up and down. Lift up and pressing down. 5 to 8 movements. And then rotation. As wide circle, the best. Other way around. That's good. Then join the sole of the feet together. Try to keep your chest higher as possible. If you can't put your chest up, and then you can either bring your legs a little bit outward, or you can put a pillow under your hips and then lift your chest up. So basically what you want to do is to keep your back straight. You don't want to be hunching and practicing, because when you lift your chest up, that's when you're going to get all the benefits. Shake your legs. See, this shaking you can do about 10 to 20 times. That's good. Then stretch your legs out and lay onto your back. Then hands by the side, tuck your chin to the chest and raise right leg up to the 90 degree and down. Left leg down. Let's repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. Can do longer. You can pause the video always and do any exercise you like. You can pause and practice it as many times as you feel comfortable and enjoy. That's good. Now try to do both legs together. You're going to press your hands onto the ground, and that way you're going to use gravity to lift your both legs up and exhale down. Let's do 5 times. 2, down, 3, you can also combine the breathing. So inhale, hold the breath, lift up, exhale down. Inhale, hold, lift, exhale down. That's good. You can always go ahead and relax for 5 to 10 seconds whenever you need. Good. Then lift the right leg up and you're going to make as big circle as possible. At least 3 to 5 circles. Then other way around. That's good. Come down and change your leg. Left leg. Three to 5 times. And other way around. That's good. Shake your legs and rest. 5 to 10 second rest. That's good. Then feet together and bend your both knees. Keep your hands on the ground, take support of the gravity, and you are going to do as if you are cycling. That's good. Other way around. That's good. And bring your legs down. 5 seconds, rest. That's good. Then feet together. Bend your right knee. Hold your right leg and press the leg gently towards your chest. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring your head to the knee. Exhale down. Then inhale. As you exhale, bring your right leg to the left. Look to the right. Twist. Excellent asana for this series. Good. Come back to the center. Change your leg. Bend your left knee. Hold with your hands and gently press the leg towards the chest. Inhale. Exhale. Lift your head up to the knee. Exhale down. Then inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right, look to the left. Good. Come back to the center. Stretch your legs out, shake them, and bend your knees. Both legs bend. Hug them and press the leg towards the chest. And inhale. As you exhale, touch your knee to the forehead. Exhale down. And bring your hands out. Inhale. Bring your knees to the 90 degree. And as you exhale, drop them to the right. Look to the left. Inhale back. Exhale, drop them to the left. Look to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the right. Inhale back. Exhale to the left. Inhale back and stretch your legs out. Shake your legs and let go for 30 seconds to up to 1 minute.